Ever feel like the floor gets messy again instantly? Crumbs, pet hair, and dust never seem to quit. And honestly, who has time to vacuum twice a day? That's where the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9S Pro Omni steps in. It brings 30,000 pascals blast suction for serious cleaning power, so it lifts debris from hard floors and carpets. Plus, it vacuums and mops in one smart device. No more switching tools or dragging out extra equipment. The sleek Omni dock handles the messy parts for you. It self-empties, auto-charges, and keeps cleaning with less downtime. Perfect for busy homes that need non-stop performance. And yes, it's designed to stay impressively quiet too. Great for families, work calls, or naptime cleaning. Pet hair? Meet Zero Tangle for anti-hair tangle technology. It helps reduce brush rub and keeps maintenance simple. That means less cleanup for you, more cleaning for it. The roller mop lifts automatically on carpets and wet messes, so floors stay clean without spreading water around. It even crosses thresholds smoothly across your home. From kitchen crumbs to hallway dust, it moves with ease. The app control makes scheduling and monitoring effortless. You can start a clean from anywhere, anytime. And the hot air drying keeps the mop fresher longer. Fresh flow washing and auto cleaning add real hands-free convenience. For large homes, that power boost charging is a huge plus. It gets back to work fast, with minimal interruption. If you want cleaner floors without the daily hassle, this is it. ECOVACS DEEBOT X9S Pro Omni makes smart cleaning feel easy. Strong suction, real mopping, and less work for you. Upgrade your routine and let your floors take care of themselves.